Hey, good morning. Welcome to the another video of Walking and Talking with Britt. Hey, my name's Britton Johnson. I'm the founder of Voluntary Insurance Partners, and we are a worksite benefits brokerage house that focuses on small businesses. And we help business owners that really care about their employees. They think of them as family. They want to do something for their employees when it comes to benefits, but understanding a budget comes into play. That's where my team absolutely rocks. So if you're an employer and you need some help, please reach out to me. If you are in the worksite benefits industry and you know in your heart of hearts out there there's a better way, we're a pretty good opportunity for you. So thank you so much for watching this. I am walking down the Creekside Trail in Eastwood Park in beautiful Dayton, Ohio, checking out the Mad River right next to me. It's beautiful today. And today's topic is going to be short and sweet, but yet pretty efficient. You know, yesterday we spoke about underwriting and guaranteed issue. Today, we are going to discuss commissions and some definitions, okay? This is a complex topic, okay? And it can be a topic that's pretty confusing for a lot of people. So I want to give some terms out there and tell you what these terms simply mean, okay? So when you're in my business, you have what's called your first year commissions. First year commissions are the commissions that you receive from an insurance carrier when you enroll employees in policies and they are in their first year of paying premiums, okay? And those are commissions that you receive. So those are first year commissions, okay? Then we have what's called a renewal. A renewal is at each year those commissions that you get paid for year 2 and beyond. Then we're going to talk about vesting, okay? Vesting means a timeline of how long you are entitled to those renewal commissions. Let me give you an example. A lot of insurance carriers, if you're a carrier rep, say you work for, you know, a big box brand carrier, okay? And I've done that for many years. I've got 20 years in the industry, and I worked for a big box carrier, a very famous name that a lot of people know. You see a lot of commercials on TV and all that jazz. Now, that renewal, they tell you that you are vested in your renewal commissions after you've worked for them for 10 years, all right? That means if you work for them for 10 years time, then those renewal commissions, if you left the business, those renewal commissions are yours as long as those policies stay on the books. After 2 years, it's like you get 50% of it. After 5 years, 75%, what have you. However, there's a big caveat. The big thing that no one talks about, and they're afraid to talk about it. And unfortunately, too many long-term veterans in this business learned this the hard way. If you do not own your account relationship, you're never truly vested in those renewals of yours. And what do I mean by that? What I mean by that is contractually, a lot of these big box carriers, these publicly traded carriers, they own the rights to your account. You do not own the rights to that account. They say that that account is theirs, it belongs to them, even though you're the one that did all the work. You built the relationship, you've sold their product. Yes, you've made commissions from their products, but that relationship is not yours. So if you find something better for your client, if you can do something more significant, more beneficial to your client, you cannot switch them, or they will threaten you to take all of your renewals away. Generally, if you leave an insurance carrier, there's about a 2-year window where they like to hold that to you, okay? It's a very unfair practice to those of us that have worked hard, and investing is important, right? It is our livelihood. It is our retirement, okay? And that's how we make our retirement, is through vesting. So, you know, if a carrier is threatening your retirement constantly, that's really no way to live. So vesting is a term that's extremely important, right? So fortunately, for those of us that have found a better path, we are vested in our renewals on day 1. We own our account relationship, so there's no carrier or corporation threatening us if we find something better and more beneficial for our client. What it allows us to do, it gives us the freedom to focus on what we truly believe is best for our client and their scenario. All right, that's what real freedom in this business is doing the right thing for folks when it matters the most. Now, in the next series, the next video, we're gonna get into even more terms when it comes to commissions. We're gonna talk about advanced commissions, what's called as earned commissions. We're gonna talk about what's called heaped versus levelized versus hybrid. There's a lot of definitions that can be a little confusing out there, and I wanna break through and dispel all of the challenges that most people face and they don't truly understand. So today, we're gonna talk about being vested, we're gonna talk about first year commissions, and renewals. So renewals is very simple. Renewals is the commissions that you receive every year as someone continues their policy. Now, with your typical medical insurance, there can be some significant increases in premiums, and that can affect your renewals. We like to play with policies that don't have increases in rates, so you're not pulling the rug out from under your clients, so your renewals are stable. When your renewals are stable, and when you are vested on day one, and when you own your account relationship, that gives your employers a lot more freedom that you can do the right thing for them. It gives the employees a whole lot more, and it gives you and your family a whole lot more. I hope this was beneficial. Thank you very much for your time. Really appreciate it. Don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, share, and type a comment, whether it be positive or negative in this. It really helps the algorithm out, helps us out, and it helps get Voluntary Insurance Partners' name out. We are looking for good people. We are expanding nationwide. I'm so proud of my team. I've got the best benefits team in the world, and it's a great culture. So definitely check us out online. I'll have our links down below in this description, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.